nga guys, ito yung pinakabagong trend ngayon. At pinakabagong store rin ni Street Birria. So located yan dito sa may Omstellar Building along Pilang Friendship Highway, Cutkut, Angeles City.
Tingnan mo naman pagkain natin. Napaka-movable.
Actually, naging advantage pa yung parking lot kasi punta kayo dito, park mo. Order, park and go, or you can eat here. Tingnan natin to. So this one is
V-Cat.
Ito naman ay Nova.
Pero ang pinagkaiba nila, this one is a chicken birria. Ito naman is beef birria.
Available pa rin dito yung kanilang salad, yung kanilang rice, at saka yung soft taco birria. Which is buy one take one.
So dito pala, bring your own chips.
Regardless kung ano yung dala mo.
Yes.
Yatos.
Pringles.
Who knows, diba?
Your favorite? Cheetos.